Good day everyone. So for today, let me teach you on how to deactivate your Facebook profile account. So in order to do that, you just need to click the upper right side portion of your Facebook profile and then kindly scroll down and click settings and privacy and then click settings. After that, kindly click this meta account center and then scroll and then you just need to click this personal details here under account settings. After that, kindly click this account ownership and control. And here you can see the deactivation or deletion option. Click that and then click the account that you want to deactivate. After that, you have the option deactivate it or delete it. So you can choose between the two, then click continue. So you are going to deactivate your account temporarily. So what happened is your account and main profile will be deactivated and your name and photos will be removed from most things you've shared and you'll be able to continue using Messenger. Okay, you just need to click continue and then after that click continue and then you just need to type the password of your Facebook and then once you type it, kindly click continue and that will be all. So that's it.